Welcome to Unit 407 at 7601 Aldrich Avenue South in Richfield, Minnesota. Whip up your culinary delights in your open kitchen, flowing into the living space, which makes it easy to keep conversation flowing when you're entertaining. Step into your spacious living room where the lofted ceilings create an open and airy ambiance that's perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding after a long day. Retreat to your tranquil bedroom featuring plenty of closet space to keep your wardrobe organized and accessible. When it's time to step out and adventure, you'll find yourself just moments away from a plethora of dining and shopping destinations, all easily accessible from your doorstep. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience convenient living at its finest. Schedule a showing today to view this property and make this top floor condo yours.